Good day, sir and madam. I'm Hermenilda Dalit. I'm 52 years old. I'm finished in high school graduate.
Why do you want to go in Hong Kong, Miss Hilda?
I help my family.
Okay. Did you work abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Hong Kong, ma'am, 6 years. Saudi Riyadh, 2 years.
Okay. When you work in Hong Kong, what were your main duties?
Working, washing the clothes, ironing, and etc.
Okay. How many members of the family did you serve?
5, ma'am.
5 members. How many children?
2 children.
Are there twins?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How old?
11 years old.
11 years old. So you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell us how?
How to change to diaper and
Okay. Can you sing children's song?
yes, ma'am.
Please try.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P.
Okay, you know how to cook.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Trisam and long soup.
Long soup. Okay. Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
Describe your personal character. Are you a hard worker person?
Yes, ma'am.
Aside from that, are you loyal?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you say that you will be a good domestic helper? Will you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
And will you promise to follow the rules and regulation of your employer?
Follow rules and regulation and